Today we're going to read the story about Matman and the different shapes. If we made Matman with a rectangle, what would Matman do? Who can tell me, what does a rectangle look like? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. He'd be the real Matman, and his mat would be blue. If we made Matman with a circle, what would Matman do? He'd roll and roll around the floor, then he'd roll right out the door. If we made Matman with a diamond, what would Matman do? He'd float up high into the sky, then he'd look down and wave bye-bye. If we made Matman out of a triangle, what would Matman do? He'd hold the triangle in his hand, then ding, ding, ding in a marching band. If we made Matman with an oval, what would Matman do? He'd sit with Humpty on the wall, then hold him so that he wouldn't fall. If we made Matman with a moon, what would Matman do? He'd go outside to tell the cow, ready, set, jump over the moon. If we made Matman with a square, what would Matman do? He'd take a partner to a dance and do at every chance. What shape is this? Let's see who can count how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who remembers what shape has got 8 sides? An octagon, that's right. If we made Matman with an octagon, what would Matman do? He'd stand in the street like a traffic light. He'd make the cars and buses stop. If we made Matman with a, let's count how many sides and you can tell me what shape it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who remembers what shape has 6 sides? A hexagon, yes. What would Matman do? He'd count the sides from 1 to 6 and then he'd stoop to pick up sticks. If we made Matman with a star, what would Matman do? He would make your wish come true. One special wish, just one for you. Guys, you want to make a special wish? What shape is this? Let's count how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who remembers? A pentagon, that's right. If we made Matman with a pentagon, what would Matman do? He'd say, count my fingers, look alive. Now count my corners up to 5. We just did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we made Matman with a heart, what would Matman do? He'd give us each a special kiss and say, I love you. If we made Matman with a blue rectangle, what would Matman do? He'd say, that's my mat, and that's bright blue. Shapes are fun to do with you. Let's see what shapes there are over here. We have a moon shape, a triangle, a circle, a diamond, and a hexagon.